Welcome once more to Screencasts Online. I'm your host, Darcy. Today's video on Carbon Copy Cloner is presented to complement the full show presented by Alison, who has taken us through a deep dive on how Carbon Copy Cloner can be used to back up your Mac. Since that video, Bombitch have added a few new features, and we'd love to bring you up to speed on them. For those unfamiliar with Carbon Copy Cloner, it solves a very simple problem: how to back up my Mac. While macOS can use Time Machine to solve the problem, Carbon Copy Cloner takes it to a professional level, giving you more control over individual sources and destinations, scheduling your backups, network-attached storage, and much more. For a simple demonstration, you can create a copy of one disk or folder by dragging it into the source section of the main screen. Then select a destination, either by dragging a file or disk into the destination section. Click Start to copy the contents of the source to the destination immediately, or set a schedule using the automation section to have the copy occur at predefined intervals. For this video, we'll assume you're familiar with the basics of Carbon Copy Cloner, but again, if not, please take the time to watch our full show by Alison, who does an incredible job breaking it down. One at a time, let's break down some of the new features brought to us by CCC 6. Appearance. The first and most obvious is an update to the user interface, with the introduction of dark mode. In Preferences, you can set Carbon Copy to always display in light mode, dark mode, or change with the system. You can also toggle dark mode for just the sidebar when in light mode.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.